Lizzie's last day at this school she goes to. You sad? When you get home, none of your stuff will be here. It'll all be packed up. Yeah, we got a truck. Hard work. Go on, you gotta go up the stairs. Good girl. There you go. Nope. Come on, Missy. Come on. Come on, Missy. Come on. She's so scared.
Get in the house.
Dorks.
Get in the house.
Sadie Bug!
Because she didn't want me to leave.
Aw, she didn't want you to go.
Nope.
What do you think of this?
That means that I can go in it.
Yep. I just dropped the kids off at Andrea's house. Thank you so much, Andrea, for watching them for me. It helps like a ton. It helps so much. And Amy had them earlier today, so thank you, Amy. Thank you guys for your help. They were like here for 10 seconds and they were already way underfoot, so I was like, we gotta get rid of them. So sadly they had to go. I'm gonna miss those little boogers, but we'll get a lot more done without them. It is empty. Woohoo! Wow. A little more than half?
Yeah.
How much more do we have?
You have the crib,
Okay.
our dresser,
Okay.
China hut,
Oh yeah, the China hutch, that's gonna be heavy.
washer and dryer, and then the changing table.
And then whatever's in the attic
Yeah, and the storage room.
and the storage room. What's wrong, babe?
I have to go get my toolbox because this house wrench won't work.
Just take a nap. Hi, horses. I love horses so much. Hey. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, that was gross. Just blew snot all over me. I just had an emotional goodbye with Andrea. I love that girl. I'm so sad that we are not going to be able to do girls' nights anymore and barbecues and all that stuff. What is it? What?
My penny.
Love you.
I found a little
Where's your stuff?
balloon.
He said, where's your stuff? Where's your stuff? Is this weird? Aww. Is it amazing? Good night, little one.
Good night.
Yeah. Oh, really?
camera.
Yeah.
Don't move.
You ready to go back to your bed?
Yeah.
I'm going night-night? Lay down. What are you doing? Okay, lay down. Go sleep.